Hi guys, today's review is on Maui Moisture Hair Care. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and here we go. I received this box from Influenster. It's a company that sends out products for review, and this is the Maui Moisture Hair Care products. I received the Strength and Length Castor and Neem Oil Shampoo, Conditioner, as well as their Curl Oil Gel. Hello, beautiful. It's nice to meet you. That's really cute because all of the products, the first ingredient is 100% aloe. So again, I received the shampoo, conditioner, and curl oil gel. For the shampoo, again, it has castor and neem oil as well as peppermint oil. It's for damaged and transitioning curls, but even if your curls are not damaged or transitioning, you could still use the product. I like it because it strengthens, hydrates, and renews the hair. For the conditioner, it has the same ingredients. Both products are sulfate-free and silicone-free. Along with the aloe, it is also infused with coconut water. For the curl oil gel, I will say that I did not end up using this because it flakes a lot. So in the video, you won't see me use it, but off camera, I used it 2 to 3 times and it flaked both times. The directions says to apply a desired amounts of palms to work through wet or damp hair, and when the hair dried, it flaked. As you can see, my daughter's hair, again, she's not transitioning, but her curls are dehydrated. Her hair is dehydrated. With the castor oil, peppermint oil, as well as it being infused with aloe vera and coconut water, I was looking for good results. And here are the results of her hair. I'm highly pleased with this product because I've never used a product on her hair and it made the curls pop just after wash. This is only shampoo and conditioner. I didn't even add the curl oil curl oil gel because it did end up flaking. So I had to rewash her hair. But just with the shampoo and conditioner, this is what her hair looks on its own. And her curls are very defined. Her hair, it looks stronger. Thanks for watching my channel. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye, guys.